As you listen to this hypnotic confidence meditation, your subconscious mind begins gently rewiring itself for calm certainty, deep self-trust, and effortless confidence. There is nothing you need to do, nowhere you need to go. Just allow your nervous system to soften as confidence becomes your new default. Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose and release it gently through the mouth. Again, breathing in calm and exhaling any pressure to perform, prove, or protect. With each breath, your body becomes heavier, your mind quieter, your awareness drifting inward. Imagine now that you are standing in a vast, luminous space. The air feels warm and supportive, as if it recognizes you. With every step you take forward, the ground responds, steady, solid, unwavering. This is the frequency of confidence, not loud, not forced, but deeply rooted. Above you, a soft golden light begins to descend, like sunlight filtered through honeyed clouds. As it pours gently over the crown of your head, it seeps into your scalp, your mind, your thoughts. This light knows exactly where to go. It dissolves old doubts without effort. It quiets outdated stories. It releases borrowed fears that were never yours. Feel it traveling down into your throat, loosening the need to explain yourself, to justify your worth, to shrink your truth. Your voice, energetic and literal, becomes clear, grounded, and authentic. The light continues into your chest, wrapping around your heart like a steady embrace. Here, confidence anchors itself, not as arrogance, but as self-trust. A knowing, a calm certainty that you are capable, you are enough, you belong here. Allow this belief to install now. You may silently repeat or simply receive. I trust myself. I move with certainty. My presence is enough. Confidence flows through me naturally. The golden light spreads through your solar plexus, your center of personal power. Any hesitation dissolves. Any self-doubt softens and fades like mist under morning sun. Your body remembers what it feels like to stand tall, not rigid, but aligned. Confident energy settles into your muscles, your posture, your breath. And now imagine this confidence locking gently into place, like a setting that has always been meant for you, permanent, stable, effortless. From this moment forward, confidence arises automatically in conversations, in decisions, in quiet moments alone. You no longer chase confidence. It meets you where you are. Take one more slow, nourishing breath in. And as you exhale, allow this installation to complete. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back, knowing that confidence is now part of your subconscious blueprint,